Hello, I'm Shemaine from Natural Baby Shower, and today we'll be looking at the Joie Signature Gemini car seat in a little more detail. Let's take a look. The Joie Signature Gemini can start from newborn up to 15 months, so approximately 40 centimeters to 85 centimeters. The Gemini is lightweight. It weighs in at 4.7 kg. Moving back into the seat, it has a 157-degree recline. So baby has a lovely near lay flat position and a very comfortable ride in the car. It has a large sun canopy, which is extendable and water repellent, and has a mesh panel on the back for ventilation. The seat is made from breathable knit materials and has a 3-point harness, which is very easy to adjust and clip together with one pull action. The Gemini has 3 layers of IntelliFit side impact protection foam, giving baby the most ultimate protection on their journey in the car. The shell has built-in ventilation, so again allowing a lot of air into the unit for baby. And the car seat itself is TUV approved, so that means it's perfect in a vehicle as well as on aircrafts. So when this car seat is paired with the i-Base Encore, it turns into a 90-degree spin car seat. There we are. On the base itself, we have an adjustable load leg, which you will fit to the footwell of the car. And on the very top, we have 3 window indicators and pictures, all indicating green or red if the car seat and base are in the correct position. The Joie Gemini is compatible with the following bases. So that would be the i-Base 2, the i-Base Advance, and the i-Base LX2. The Gemini can be used as a complete travel system, so that means it can go onto your chassis. What you'll need to do is remove your seat like this, then add your adapters, clip them directly into the chassis, and place your car seat on the top. There we are, and you're good to go. Again, putting it directly onto a chassis, this is the Joie Vinca, and just remove your seat again, and add your adapters. If they're curved, you want them facing towards the handlebar. They click onto the chassis like that, and pop that directly onto your chassis. There we are. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn more, you can log on to our website, or alternatively book a virtual appointment with us, or come and visit us in store. We'll see you soon. Bye.